Are you having trouble unblocking someone on Facebook in 2023? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone on Facebook in just a few quick and easy steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the search option and then search for blocking. And then tap and select that. So now you'll be able to see all of the people that you've blocked on Facebook. You can tap on their name and it will show you this pop-up. If you unblock this person, he may be able to see your timeline or contact you, depending on your settings. Tags you and this person previously added to each other may be restored. You'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block this person again. So if you want to unblock them, simply tap on the unblock button over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.